Okay, guys, we've got a problem. So this is how we had it, or have it, and items get stuck in this hopper. I didn't notice that before. Very odd, but they do get stuck in there. So this is trash now. Basically this little system right here. So I have an idea that may or may not work. So this hopper will get locked with the item in it. That happens every time, and the only reason the item keeps going is because the next item that wants to come through unlocks a hopper and it keeps going. But if we have a hopper underneath trying to pull it out, then it'll never get stuck. And this needs to go down. Yes. Yeah, that needs to go down or it will go in that one. Okay. So I'll come up with this little contraption. Let's put 3 of them in here. Let's put 3 items in there. And it places 1 item in there. And there can be multiple of these. So it just needs a signal. So that's cool. But our problem is we can't go over the top. So the trick is not to get discouraged, because things like this is going to happen. They happen all the time. This needs to go to the side now. Yeah. And we need to power this block right here. And then this one. But we can't. Oh, right. So it'd be nice if we could stick the repeater right there. But if we do that, the items are going to get stuck. Right? Right. Okay. So what if we used these as... See, I think I used 3 ticks. Yeah, 3 ticks. So that's 3 ticks of delay. But now we need to get this going. Okay, this is a lot uglier than the other one, but we'll try it out. Okay. Okay. Oh, I need a button. I need a button. Button. Okay. Well, that didn't work. Oh. We had a Gatling. Oh, gosh. Oh, snap. We got one. We got it. Okay, we don't got one. We can't use anything, beside this. This is all off limits. Dadnabbit. The red zone. This is the red zone, and we can't place blocks here. Can I go behind it? Yeah, I can go behind it. I just can't go right there. Okay. Dang it. It still works. How is that even possible? Oh, my goodness. Okay, so that's all you need. What the heck is going on? I've been overkilling this whole project. Okay. Okay, well, I didn't want to use this one. Well, I can't use this one because this block can't be used. And it works, but it don't work. So I tore everything apart and I don't have anything working. I was trying to make this one block smaller so it would be, you know, more compact. But so far, nothing. But I'm going to keep working and maybe I can get something going. I have figured some cool things out, but nothing that works and nothing worth talking about. So, yeah, I'm going to keep working. 3, 2, 1. Well, I made this really compact, really cool machine here. So it's going to place the block back into the shulker box, which I've been using kind of the same design for a long time. And this one will start. Oh, we just lost one, but it's okay. It's okay. Let's do a better test. Okay, let's fill this up. All right, and then let's put some shulker boxes in there. And it all has a block in there. Amazing. But I don't know how to fit this in over here with this. So I kind of got something over here. So this is its own machine, and this is its own machine. So this has got its own timer, and this has got its own timer at the moment. But it's not working. Like, I'm getting the separation of the shulker box that you don't want to the shulker boxes that you do want. That's fine, working great now, but I'm not getting this part right. I had it really compact, and then it just wasn't working. Let me show you what I did over here. So these are the two engine designs that could be used. This is currently what we're using because it allows me to put a atom filter underneath here easily. And then over here I put some clocks. There's way more clocks I could put down, but I just threw those down real quick. I'd have to look some more up because I don't remember the other three that I used. One of them was with the comparators, which is kind of crazy. I can't remember how to build it. Anyway, and here's all the item sorters that... man, I missed 2 blocks. Dadnabbit. These are the item filters that I know of. This is the really small one. It's probably the smallest out of them all. That works really well. And then we got this one, a little bigger. This one takes 41 items in it, and you can stack stuff right beside it. This one, you can put this one and this one beside each other. I should have swapped these. And they will not interfere with each other. I use these for a long, long time. Let's see. And then this one works pretty darn good, but it's loud. This is Ilmango's like double speed one, and it has to have the item that you're looking for has to be five stacks of them right there. So it kind of kills the whole thing on that, but it goes pretty quick. Does 2 at a time for the most part, I guess. And then what else did I put over here? Oh, this is the item counter that I came up with. Pretty cool, pretty cool. This is something that I saw Tango do? Yeah, Tango. And when you push the button, nothing happens. Absolutely nothing. That is perfect. Okay, you push the button. This has got to be on, and it builds a signal all the way up to 15. You want to reset it. It's right there. And I'm going to add more stuff as we go to this. These are the most common T flip-flops that I use. My heater just came on. It's fine. But it's not the only ones I use. I guess these are the most common ones I use. I need to add more to that too. I just kind of did it as I go. But once I look things up, and then if I add something new or find something new, I'm going to put them on this. That way I always can just come back and look at it instead of having to look everything up. I think this is how I'm going to start doing it. This is probably going to be my main redstone testing world. I don't think I'll go anywhere else. And this is trash now. Dadnabbit. Although I need to put this in, or not just this one, but the old design in with one of these. And this right here. This thing is pretty amazing. Anyway, all right. I'm going to continue to work and try to get this working. Things like this happen. You just can't get discouraged. I mean, if you do, you got to step away and come back. But it's just part of the building. I mean, you're gonna find bugs and things that don't work, and yeah, it's no big deal. Well, I think I'm done for today. Not the video, just for today in real life. My brain hurts. I need some flex tape for my brain. Okay, well, let me think about this. Oh my goodness. Okay, I should have archived what the old machine looked like. I will copy that over somewhere over here. I've got a lot of footage, and I'm gonna have to go through it after this, but I got it. There's gonna be a little bit of refining to do with it, I think, but it's smaller and it's got less things on it going on. So when we push the item back into the machine, or the block that we take out from the sorter back into the shulker box, I was using a dropper, which, yeah, it works, right? But a hopper also just automatically puts in there, and you don't have to worry about stopping it or whatnot, or powering it. So that's one less thing to power over here. That was what was just driving me crazy, man. I couldn't figure out how to get the power over here without, running a redstone line all the way over here. I was trying to make it compact. So all we have to do is worry about breaking it at the right time, just so long it has enough time to be able to push one item in there, and then we can break it, right? Done. Well, wrong box. Let's get that box. And so the red boxes are empty. These cyan boxes have one item in them. And let's look down here at our filter. The 1 block of iron, that's our filter item. 41 blocks in there. Actually, there's 43 blocks. And, or 40, wait. 41, 42, 43, 44. Man, I can't count. Okay, so does that need to be there? Yes, that needs to be there. Okay, so whenever this line gets reached, this torch unpowers. It unpowers this repeater, which lets the item or the shulker box come down here. It gets stuck in here, but hopper pulls it out and pushes it in this dispenser. So if we had a whole box of these, a whole chest of these that went through here, they would get backed up, but it's just fast enough where they get like 3 or 4 of them get backed up in here, and then it starts draining down. But I don't ever see us getting like a whole box of shulker boxes. And we probably need to put a default where we only get 2 or 3 boxes of any given item that we're searching for. That way we don't get 42 boxes of dirt when we want dirt, That's ridiculous. We just want 1 box of dirt or 2 boxes of dirt or whatever. Or we could set how many boxes we get. That would be even more cool. Okay, so let's do this test. So ready, set, go. This probably could be faster, but it's working right now, and I'm running out of time this week. It's been 2 weeks, believe it or not. I don't get a whole lot of time to work on this kind of stuff, and when I get to, I want to have fun. So if I get frustrated, I leave, and then I come back. And today I came back, and within 5 minutes I finished this, which is ridiculous. I spent 4 hours one day working on this, and then I was looking at it, and I go, what if I didn't have a dropper? And it all worked out. Thank you, Jesus, right? Okay, so next episode we'll worry about getting some more stuff going, and maybe we'll come revisit this idea again. I've slept since then, so maybe we can get this going again. I don't know. Here's an assignment for y'all. If you can, if you're not in the Discord group, you need to join the Discord. You need to see if you can make a box, tower of boxes like this that let the items drain down while another stack of items drain on top of it. So we need to have one empty one empty chest as it goes down. So we start with our full, not counting that one. So we start with our full stack of items in here. And then as this drains down, this will drain down one. Then we'll have this one will be empty. No, bad box. This one will be empty. And then when one box drains down, this one will be full. And then this one will be empty. And then another box will drain down. And then these two will be full. This one will be empty. And these will be full. And so forth. That way we can have some no loading time, no downtime. One of y'all mentioned having two different storage chests where, so you have one right here and one right here, and it gets drained into this one, and then use this one to take out of, and then it gets drained into this one, then you just take this one out of this one, so you have no downtime. That's a good idea, but if we could do it within one and do it with relatively small redstone control, I want to try that. I just want to try it. We might end up doing your idea. I don't know. But anyway, so, one more thing. So Pointless was wondering how we would handle non-stackable items in the system. And to answer that question, you would have a box full of non-stackable items, and then you'd have a piece of paper named what you want that is inside the box. Then you would place said paper that is named with that unique item in there, and you could place said item up there, and then boom, you got it. Pretty cool, right? Let's check this out. Place the item back in there. All good. Anyway, guys, I'm about to cut a lot of stuff out, and I hope this episode makes sense because I have yet to edit it. Anyway, and let me know if you think it should be longer than 15 minutes or it should be like a 10-minute episode or whatever. If 15 minutes is good, let me know. Anyway, guys, remember, Jesus loves you, I love you, and we'll see you next time here in Redstone Code. Yeah. See ya.